part 2. Sorry about that. I got frozen. Okay, so here we go. We're talking about measuring any table in your house. And then you're supposed to be measuring in feet. Or not measuring yet, but estimating. How many feet long do you think your table is? So here's a foot. Don't measure it yet. Just estimate. I'm estimating my table to be about 6 feet long. Because I think it would take 6 of these to measure the length of my table. Now when I go measure my table using my actual ruler, not estimating but actually measuring, I'm going to lay them down and I'm going to count how many of those it is. And then finally, the last one is a door. And we're measuring in yards or estimating in yards. Remember that yards would be 3 of these. It takes 3 feet to equal a yard. So I'm gonna turn, there's my back door. I could think, ooh, yards, 3 rulers, 36 inches. And I'm talking about how tall it is. So I'm gonna guess, I'm gonna estimate that my door is about 2 yards tall. And then I would go actually measure it. Now finally at the bottom, I'm gonna start you off with the answers for the first blanks, and it's gonna be your job to finish up the rest of it. Like number 7, it says 1 foot equals blank inches. Well, I know that 1 foot equals how many inches? You got it, 12. Go ahead and write that in. And then I want you to come back to this in a minute and figure out, well, if 1 foot is 12 inches, then how many? It would be 2 feet. And how many would be 3 feet? Your job is to figure that out. 1 yard equals 3 feet. Fill that one in. 1 yard equals 3 feet, and then come back and find out how much is 2 yards and how much is 3 yards. That's your job to do. And finally, 1 yard equals 36 inches. Fill in that blank, and then this one's going to be a big challenge. Figure out how many inches would be in 2 yards and then in 3 yards. You can do it. It's just going to take some thinking. Then you'll go on the back side. Circle the real object that is about 6 feet in length. We're not talking about these pictures. None of these actually measure 6 feet as far as the pictures go, but if it were in a real object in real life, circle the one that would measure about 6 feet. About 6 of these. Number 11, John lays 2 of the same real objects together. So not pictures, but the real objects. Together, they have a length of about 12 inches. What is the object John uses? Remember, he lays 2 of them together for a total of 12 inches. Number 12 says, find an object in the classroom. We're not in the classroom. So we're going to say in your home or your house that measures about 2 feet. Draw the object. Write 2 sentences to describe it, and then we're going to put an X through number 13 because you don't even have a yardstick, so that wouldn't be a fair question. Guys, have a great day. Let me know if you need any help.